Hello friends, so today I'm going to be making a delicious vegan treat, and the best part about it is it only has 3 ingredients and it's fast and easy to make. So if you're interested, please keep watching and I hope you enjoy. Now the first ingredient that we're going to be using is 2 cups of soaked dates, and I like to soak these overnight. And also I'm going to be adding 1 cup of almonds, and I also like to soak those overnight because it makes it a lot moist and it makes it easier to make the balls. The third ingredient is going to be 1/2 cup of coconut, and once you get all those together, I put them in the food processor and then I just blend them. And because you soaked the dates and the almonds overnight, it makes it really easy, for the balls. They have a lot of moisture. And here you see the balls, and all I did was roll them up by hand. And next to that you'll see the coconut flakes, which I will dip the balls in the coconut flakes, just like you see here. Then after I finish soaking all of the balls, I will go ahead and put them on a plate. And what I did here is I sprinkled on the plate some more coconut, and I also sprinkled some almonds just for decorations. See how beautiful it looks? And it is so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you think.